So friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to talk about the use of macro lens. We all love photography, but not all of us have DSLR camera for photography, and so it is a big problem. But nowadays our smartphones comes with triple or quad camera, so it is not a big fact for us. But some of us who don't have such quad camera, triple camera like phone, only old smartphone in our hand. So for those person, should we not do photography? Of course yes. For them we come here with a big gadget, that is the combo lens kit. As you can see here, there is macro, wide angle and fisheye, three types of lens in this lens kit. You can use these three types of lens kit to capture immense image, and the picture quality is awesome. Maximum time I just use the macro lens because I love the macro photography like small insects or other objects. So let's see actually how it works. In this video I am going to show you the actual use and how it works, the macro lens. Macro lens is basically a magnifying glass which magnify the image to some extent that you can increase the resolution as well as the zoom capacity. So it is the macro lens. As you can see here, it is the lens. It is not so much big. It is just a small lens, just perfectly fit into your mobile camera. And you can see here it is a clip. So by this clip you can join this lens with your mobile lens, and as you can see it is very much hardy. The lens is so much tough, and one aluminium ring is there to encircle the lens, as you can see here, and there macro is printed. It is the macro lens. Basically there is also two lens, one is the wide angle and another is the fisheye. I am not showing this because I don't use that so much. It is the macro lens and it is the clip. It's in the clip provides a soft cushion that can attach with your smartphone, and the skin is not damaged for that reason. It is perfectly attached with your smartphone like that, as you can see here, and with your ease you can just rotate it or modify the position so that you can just perfectly click your image. So it is a versatile things, and the clip is very much smoothly works and so good. I just like it. Now time for some photography. Here I am just demonstrating some of the photography I have captured with that lens with my smartphone. My smartphone is not so good and only 13 megapixel camera is there. And remember friends, one thing, the photography don't just only depends on the megapixel or just only depends on the camera lens. It is the processor that actually renders a good image quality. So this image actually depends on all the aspect, all the things. And this camera kit, actually you can get three types of lens with there, but I don't think the wide angle and the fisheye will be much used because it is not just so much good like macro lens. I take some of the images in my backyard. You can see here it is a macro lens. I picture with my macro lens. I use it, and it is a ant, and the picture is so much big. Here you can see one is the damselfly head and another is the ladybird beetle. The image quality is satisfactory. I am just satisfied with that image quality, and the magnification is also good. The image also is clear in color contrast and everything. You also can add filter with it. So it is a fish eye lens. Fish eye, I don't use so much fish eye, and it is the night picture, so the background you cannot see well everything, but it is good. Fisheye also you can use to capture a small portion of the image, like the vision of a fish, means the fish how they can see outside the water. However, it is also I capture with the macro lens. The flower you can see here, every details is so much popularly or clearly visible, and the ant within the flower, it is also a big clarity. The clarity of the image is so immense, and it is just good. That is the another picture. One honeybee is taking honey from a flower, and another is the flower. It is the details of a flower I take in this picture. But with increase in light exposure, the image quality also increases. But if light is not there, then maybe image quality may be dull. It is another picture taking with wide angle camera. It is the bridge that is taken with a wide angle, and wide angle just increase the viewing angle, the camera angle of your photography. So if you are just taking one group selfie or group image, you can use it. That is the another picture. I just use a wide angle lens for that. However, friends, if you want to buy, you can buy just for 199 rupees. That is not so big amount, and you just can try photography with it. It will